Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. ما یوازې مه پرېږده. Don't leave me alone. ما یوازې او تنها مه پرېږده. Don't leave them alone. Don't leave them alone. دوی یوازې مه پرېږده. Don't leave her alone. Don't leave her alone. دو یوازې مه پرېږده. یعنې د مؤنث لپاره. The water is flowing. The water is flowing. اوبه بهیږي. The water is flowing. اوبه بهیږي. It is hard for me. It is hard for me. دا زما لپاره سخته ده. It is hard for me. دا زما لپاره سخته ده. It is easy for me. It is easy for me. دا زما لپاره اسانه ده. It is easy for me. دا زما لپاره اسانه ده. I will call him. I will call him. زه به دته زنګ وکړم. I will call him. زه به دته زنګ وکړم. He is my son. He is my son. هغه زما زوی دی. He is my son. هغه زما زوی دی. She is my daughter. She is my daughter. هغه زما لور ده یا دو زما لور ده. She is my daughter. Eat fast. Please eat fast. مهرباني وکړه زر زر خوراک کوه. Please eat fast. I have to clean my room. I have to clean my room. زه باید خپله کوټه صفا کړم. I have to clean my room. We come back. We come back. مونږ بیرته راځو. We come back. مونږ بیرته راځو. Why don't you hear? Why don't you hear? ته ولې نه اورې؟ Why don't you hear? ته ولې نه اورې؟ Why do you angry? Why do you angry? ته ولې په غوسه کېږې؟ Why do you angry? ته ولې په غوسه کېږې؟ When did you call? When did you call? کله دې زنګ کړی و. When did you call? کله دې زنګ کړی و. Please send me your picture. Please send me your picture. مهرباني وکړه ما ته د عکس راولېږه. Please send me your picture. مهرباني وکړه ما ته د عکس راولېږه. ما ته د تصویر راولېږه. We have to go. مونږ باید لاړ شو. We have to go. مونږ باید لاړ شو. Dear viewers, this video is enough for today. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share the video with your friends, and also like the video if you learn something. For the next time, have a good day and goodbye.